Hey, I'm Daniel with SlipDoctors. This here is a Bot 3000E, and it's got a computer menu that we're going to show you how to go through and the options that are in it. This is the Bot 3000E. We're going to talk about the menu. Any one of these 6 buttons here, these black buttons, can be pressed, and it'll turn it on. There's the DCOF and SCOF test method. There's the off button, a help button, and there's a toggle arrow. And you can go through this menu. There's 4 options here: data calibration, device, and USB. There's information about all of those things in there. And then there's also verification, the standard number that you're on, uh, and some other information that you can access simply by pressing it. You can always go back after you've reviewed the information. And you can print this information as well. There's a little printer here on the bottom of the unit. And it's very simple, and it's easy to familiarize yourself with if you just roll through the menu a few times.